In this video, I will show you how to fix the "This app can't run on your PC" error in Windows 11. First, check if you have the right version of the app. To check your Windows version, type System Information in the Windows search bar and open it. Look for System Type. Here you can see if your machine is 64-bit or 32-bit. Then go to the app publisher's website and find the correct version for your Windows. Next, go to your Windows search bar and type Windows Security. Open the Windows Security app. Click on App and Browser Control. Click on Reputation-Based Protection Settings. Turn off the Check Apps and Files option. Now, go to your Windows search bar and type Settings. Go to For Developers. Turn on Developer Mode. Search for User Account Control Settings in the Windows search bar and open it. Set the slider to Never Notify and click OK. Search for Local Security Policy in the Windows search bar and open it. Expand Local Policies. Go to Security Options. Find User Account Control, Admin Approval Mode for the built-in administrator account, and enable it. Also, enable User Account Control. Allow UI access applications to prompt for elevation without using the secure desktop. That's it. You should now be able to run the app on your PC without any issues.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.